Hi everyone, this is Nikita from CARE. We are a rescue and rehabilitation center in Bellary. We have rescued more than 3,000 animals till date, and we have around 90 plus animals at our shelter currently, which is at SP Circle. So when this lockdown for coronavirus pandemic started, one fine day me, Varsha and Akash decided we'll just cook some food and go out. So we just cooked just one bowl of one bowl of rice, and we went out and we fed around 150 plus dogs that day. So that is when we saw all the dogs are starving and they're not getting food. So that is when we decided, we just made a WhatsApp group overnight. We just sent the links to people, and we were just amazed to see how many people had come forward to help us in doing this. So it's been more than 25 days that we are doing this, and every day we are using around 7 to 8 bags of rice, around 230 to 250 liters of milk, and 3 to 4 bags, 50 kg bags of rusks and buns. And now volunteers are coming every day who are collecting cooked mixed rice from here, and they are feeding it in their areas. So we have fixed areas, like volunteers, what areas they feed every day, so that we can inform others on what areas they need to feed. So every day we are covering around 1,500 plus dogs. Not only dogs, we are also feeding pigs. We also get vegetable wastes and also fresh vegetables from the APMC market, and we feed the cows too every day. So everyday expenditure is way too high because the quantity of food that we make is that high. So we would want you to come forward to help us more. Donate in kind or donate in money, or volunteer. Come down and volunteer. If you know there are many animals in your area, you can come down and pick cooked rice from here and feed it in your area. Just get a bucket and a bowl with you so that you can take it from here. So our volunteers get buckets from their house, and they take their two-wheelers and go to every single street in a particular area that they've accepted. So once the distribution part is done, our team, we take another 3 to 4 big tubs in our Omni, and we go around few more areas. So there has been a lot of support from few groups, which I would like to name them. Saksham group, who have been helping us from quite a long time, Jito Youth Wing group, and V4U group. So these groups have been helping us, and there are so many individual donors who have helped us, and it's simply not possible for me to give every name. So I wholeheartedly thank every donor who has donated in kind or financially to make this event a success and to help us go forward. And just not so, today is the 27th day of feeding, and we are still feeding 1,500 plus animals every single day. So I would like to thank the district administration, our Deputy Commissioner Sir Mr. Nakul, the Municipal Corporation and the donors and the volunteers who have been helping us so much to make this event a success. And I would also like to thank the doctors and the police and all the other healthcare staff who are working selflessly during this pandemic, and we just hope we come out of this in a much more better state.